And I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will learn typecasting and how to take an input in Python. So let's get started. So in this video I will cover everything. So this is about myself. So first we will learn how to take an input. Second, exactly what is the meaning of typecasting. Typecasting means converts one data type to another data type, just like integer to string or string to integer or integer to float or either float to integer. Okay, so let's see with an example. Just go to Google and write online Python compiler. Click the link, just remove everything. Here I'm writing comment. What program we will see? Write a program to calculate average of 3 subjects. Okay, we can solve this program in 2 ways. First, I'm writing variable physics, chemistry and math. I'm assigning integer value. Let's suppose I got 90. Here 85 and math 98. Okay, so how can I calculate the average? Main logic is average sum of 3 subject plus math by 3, or for safely I can use parentheses. Okay, now inside the print function, if I write this average variable, what will happen? The average will print 91. Okay, same program we can solve by taking input. Okay, so how can I? Let's suppose I'm creating physics, here chemistry, and your math, here average and print. So I'm commenting everything. Okay, so how can I take input here? Just input function. Enter. I'm passing a message. Enter physics marks. I'm copying this, pasting here, also pasting here. Inside the input function, I'm passing messages. Okay, so what will happen on this code? So I'm passing 90, I'm passing 92, and I'm passing 98. So we got an error. What error? Because after passing the type is string. Okay, so we can't calculate the string value. Okay, so we have to convert string to integer. How can I convert? Either I can convert like this, whole things inside the input integer, everything, whole things in the integer, whole things I'm converting into integer. Okay, if I calculate now we're working perfectly. I can see my average. Same thing I can do like this. Okay, so we have learned how to take an input and typecasting. Exactly, typecasting means convert one data type to another data type. So in this program we have learned string data type converts to integer data type. Okay, so we have learned typecasting. Typecasting means convert one data type to another data type. Integer int function, float function and string function. So how to take an input? By using input function. And we have learned also data type, integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, set and dictionary. So thanks so much. See you in the next video.